In this video, you'll learn how to link an email address to your Wix contact form so you can receive form submissions directly in your inbox. Start by selecting Edit Business Info to access the settings where you can manage your site's contact details. Next, use the Add button from the Editor toolbar to insert a new element. Then select the Contact option to work with your contact form page. Now, open the Site Pages menu and choose the Contact page. Click on the Email field to begin editing the address that will collect submissions. Enter your preferred email address so form responses are sent straight to your inbox. Finally, click the Publish button to make your changes live and ensure your contact form is connected to the correct email address. You've successfully linked your email to the Wix contact form.